Wonton soup should come as no surprise that this Chinese cuisine standard is popular with those ordering food delivery. This is a dish with small dumplings filled with minced pork floating in salty briny chicken broth. Here is a simple recipe for preparing wonton soup. Ingredients needed to prepare wonton soup. 1 pack of wonton wrappers, 1/2 pound ground pork, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine optional, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, 2 cloves grated garlic, 4 cups chicken stock, 1/4 cup chopped scallions. How to prepare wonton soup. 1. Start by thoroughly washing the vegetables. 2. In a medium bowl, add the finely chopped pork, soy sauce, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine, sugar, white pepper, salt, grated ginger, and grated garlic. Mix well. 3. Place a heaping teaspoon of pork mixture in the center of a wonton wrapper. Moisten edges with water. Fold the bottom corner over the filling to the top corner, forming a triangle. Press edges firmly to seal. 4. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and blanch the vegetables just until they turn bright green. Remove with a slotted spoon and set aside. 5. In the same pot, bring chicken stock to a boil. Add the wontons and cook until they float to the surface, indicating they are ready, about 6 minutes. 6. Add the blanched vegetables and chopped scallions to the pot. 7. Serve hot. Enjoy the homemade wonton soup.